Welcome to Al Haj Couture. I am Dr. Abu Huraira, MD of Al Haj Couture. A brand truly envisions to become world's first abaya brand by turning modest wear into fashion. And we believe that everyone has a right to choose whatever they want. That's what our tagline says, choose freedom. I am a doctor and I wanted to automate my business so it grows without me. I was looking for a POS software that keeps the record of every little detail. It took me 1 year to find the best solution to my problem. I found out about Maqbool Solutions. They are specialized in POS software, quick service, 24/7 customer care just in 20k per year. It's been a month and I am fully satisfied with their service. If you want to automate your business, Maqbool Solution is the right place. If you want to automate your business so it keeps the record of every little penny and it grows without you, Maqbool Solution is the right place for you.